Tutorial how to fix World Sale cars are not available. Car parking multiplayer version 4.8.16.8. There are 3 ways to fix our World Sale that cars are not available. Step 1, make sure your Wi-Fi is stable. Step 2, make sure your gold coins is 20k or 25k. You can see the step 3 guys in this video. Don't skip guys, so you can follow me in the step what should I do. I hope this tutorial can help you. If you have any content suggestions related from CPM, comment down below in comment sections. But before we start, don't forget to click subscribe button and bell button for notify my new upload video tutorials like this. Okay guys, let's start a tutorial. Follow what I'm doing guys, don't skip the video. When you skip the video, the chrome and white mags will not work. Step 3, when fixing car not available guys, just change the car until you enter the World Sale. As you can see guys, I'm enter now in World Sale. When that's how both cars come out of you when you go next cars. This will happen when you go next to the cars. When the cars are same again, they will back to the lobby. It's say car not available.
What the fuck?
I think guys that's why the cars are not available in the World Sale, because the cars are sold out. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for notify my new upload video.